Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, we're gonna make something with our macadamia nuts. So using our magic bullet and grinding up some macadamia nuts. Sorry for the angle. I'm trying to hold it and do it at the same time. Hold the camera and uh, grind up the nuts. So we just picked these from the ground from our macadamia nut trees, and we're gonna make a topping. And we're gonna put this on some chicken thighs. So they're the chicken thighs that we got from the market, and we're gonna coat the chicken thighs with Lay's French onion dip. That's our favorite dip to eat our chips with. Uh, Normally we'd use mayonnaise, but we didn't have any, so we're gonna use the Lay's French onion dip. Gonna put it on there, and I'm gonna spread it all over, coating the chicken thighs. And I already did it. And now I'm gonna roll the chicken thighs in the macadamia nut. I didn't put any seasoning on it because I'm using the flavors from the French onion dip. So I put it in the oven to bake it, and there it is, all nice and golden brown. Did it in our cast iron, and it's ready. Cooked it for about half an hour on a medium heat. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and aloha.